Okay, this is probably like the weirdest filming I've ever done. I'm standing on a bench. Hi, I'm Anne, by the way. If you've never seen my videos before, I'm standing on like a little stool thing. And if you want to see how tall I really am, I'm this tall. Today's video is about this cupboard. And Harvey is freaking out because I'm in the kitchen, yet I'm not giving him food. So what this video is about is I really need to clean this cupboard out. It's a mishmash of stuff that's too old. Some things are still good. I really want to clean this out now though. It's driving me crazy. And it's late October, so why I want to do this now is so that I can like stock up on good pantry items, new pantry items, because I want to try and limit the number of times I go shopping over the winter time. So yeah, I don't know if this video will be of interest to anybody, but I'm going to film it anyway, and maybe this will inspire you to give your cupboards a little clean out. So I also have a mishmash of like non-food items in here, which I might keep some, because I can't really reach this top shelf at all unless I'm standing on this stool. So I might put some of this kind of stuff back, but I prefer to put this sort of non-food items somewhere else. I'm going to try and do that. So, fun fact, I've had these in my cupboard for a long time. They're best before 2018. And I know canned goods can last, but I recently, at my home, I found a can of beans that were like I want to say, could have been 2015. I'm not sure, but they were definitely like more than 2 years old. And I was like, let's just see how good a canned item will stay. They were not good. So I'm just not even going to take the chance on these. They're going to go in the garbage. I also did some like stocking up earlier this year. So when I was grocery shopping in like February and early March, I would just buy like an extra can or an extra box or something. And apparently beans was something that I bought. So I have like 3 cans of beans at least. And like 3 cans of like creamed soup, like that you mix with things. I need to use some of these things up. Anybody else do this? So I was really smart about a giant peanut butter because I do like peanut butter. When I'm being lazy, I'm not good at eating protein. So peanut butter is one of those ways that I do get some protein, some good nourishment, because yeah, sometimes I don't eat the best. Anyway, this is like done, but it wasn't fully done. So I bought this and started using it and opening it, and I'm like, oh well, once I use a bit of this, I'll transfer the remainder of this into this. Yeah, I never did that. And this, I actually went ahead and used this. So this is kind of one of those things that started this. I went ahead and used this week, so it is done. I forced myself. I took a big spoon and like used out of this one instead of this one. And yeah, don't need 2 of them. Lots and lots of tea. I need to clean these, and then we'll start putting the things I'm keeping back in there. So this is the other thing I hate about these cupboards. The only tall shelf is this one. The rest of them are like short. This one's a bit taller, but still like the middle one is too small. Drives me crazy. I'm done organizing this. I have some things, I'll bring my camera down, but I have some things like the teapots that I don't know if I'll put back up here. I like to, again, keep this mostly for food. I do have my little hand mixer there, but that's okay to live there. I think I want to move the teapots to somewhere else. And yeah, and I'll show you like the amount of stuff that I'm getting rid of. So yeah, now I have lots of room. I feel like I can buy some more things like pantry style type stuff and put it up here. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. So I'll show like the little before and after, and that's this video. So these are the things that I am going to be throwing out, so it's a fair amount. I hate throwing out food. Some of these are empty, like the peanut butter's done. I do hate throwing out food, but I don't even want to admit how old some of this stuff is because it's really embarrassing. So, and then back here, just move this. These are little teapots, so I do hang on to these teapots. I used to use this in university all the time. I drank a lot of tea in university because I didn't like coffee, and this was great for studying. I keep them because my mom bought these for me, and they're very nostalgic to me, and I just am not ready to let them go. So yeah, there's the cupboard. I think it doesn't, it doesn't look great. It's never gonna look perfect. It's never gonna be like an Instagram worthy cupboard, but this is real life. But it definitely feels a bit more, I know exactly what's in here, and there's a few things that I'm going to be using up in the next few days, which I'm pretty excited about. And that will clear it out a little bit more, and I can go do some planned and actually proper shopping for things that I need. So that's this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a little thumbs up down below. Let me know if you'd like me to do some more videos like this. I have some other things in the house that I really need to clean out, so I wouldn't mind actually filming them. I hope you consider subscribing to my tiny little channel here in Toronto, Canada. I hope you're doing well, stay safe, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.